everyone, welcome to Maya's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you one more easy crazy curry which is very easy. Ingredients: I've taken 3 tomatoes chopped into small pieces, half spoon chili powder and 3/4 spoon salt and just less than half cumin seeds, and this is powdered roasted chickpea powder. It's called putana also, and I grinded this with salt and chili powder, but you can even do it plain. Then this quantity increases, and we need some 3 to 4 spoons oil. Let's start the recipe. I'm adding oil, 3 to 4 spoons, and I'm going to add all these ingredients together. Mix it well. Cover the plate and let's see how long it's going. It's already 2 minutes on high speed. Now let's see. You can see it needs just 1 more minute. Add some hot water. You can add water to your desired consistency. And I'm adding the roasted chickpea powder or putana powder and mix it well, and need to slow down. I'm going to have with idli, so I'm going to add a little more water. It's ready. It took me 7 minutes. Serve in a bowl. I'm going to serve in the bowl. Easy tomato curry is ready. If you like my video, share with your friends, and see you next time with new recipe. See you, bye. So